Pemirsa, satu lagi persembahan konser yang spesial yang Anda saksikan di Indonesia Heart and Soul menampilkan, wah ini saya bisa bilang ini adalah musisi-musisi papan atas kelas dunia. Ada Raisa, ada Brian McKnight, dan juga All For One. Pastinya yang nonton ini akan bernostalgia dan akan kembali menyelami lagu-lagu mereka yang pastinya luar biasa indah untuk kita dengarkan. Dan kali ini saya berkesempatan untuk bisa menginterview mereka langsung. Mereka ada di depan saya kali ini, ada Raisa, ada Brian McKnight, and also All For One. How you guys doing?
Good.
Great.
How are you?
You know what, I'm so struck here because I can read. You know what, I'm seeing the world-class musician in front of me. So first of all ke Kak Raisa dulu.
Okay.
Kak Raisa, begitu dengar akan ada Project Heart and Soul dan kolaborasi with Brian McKnight,
Iya.
salah satu yang kamu look up to, dan juga ada All For One. Itu gimana? How do you respond to it?
Kalau pertama sih aku langsung, oh aku mau nonton, beli tiketnya di mana? Tapi ternyata dapat kesempatan buat kolaborasi. Ini kedua kali sama Brian, udah gitu All For One baru pertama kali. Jadi very excited. Also tadi pas lagi latihan juga aku jamming dan ada di situ tuh bener-bener ngedengerin mereka latihan udah happy banget gitu. Karena persembahannya bakalan spesial dan aku juga nggak cuma nyanyi satu lagu, bahkan sampai nyanyi 5 lagu dan apa ya, kolaborasi yang bener deh gitu.
Kolaborasi yang epic pastinya ya.
Insya Allah.
Next, I will address my question to Brian. This is not your very first time here in Indonesia. Last year, you were here an evening with Brian McKnight, and now you're here again. So, what's the difference this year's concert compared to the previous one?
Well, the biggest difference is that these three artists are together this way for the first time. So what we put together is something that hasn't been done before. I've sung with Raisa, I've sung with these guys, mostly with David Foster, but I don't think we've ever done a show together. So as we've been on the phone talking about what this is going to be, it's kind of always been, I'm old enough to remember when Motown used to go out and do like a review and they'd have all their artists come out. And I've often wondered why more of that doesn't happen. So we put this together sort of reminiscent of that style where, you know, we do some things together, we do our own thing, and then we do some other things together. Then we get to sing with this incredible singer from here to be able to sort of bring the cultures together again.
Yeah.
And, you know, I don't think we've sung together for a long time.
Yeah, long time.
Long time. So I'm really looking forward to that. And these guys were here one of the times with me last year, so I get to see them a lot. But this is, I'm really excited to sort of present this in a way because this may be a template for something that could go forward from this moment on.
Okay, next to All For One. Oh my goodness, I grew up with their song, I Can Give You Like That. Oh my God, no, I'm not gonna sing. Okay, All For One, you know what? This is so the moment that we've been waiting for. The fans are so loyal. Your songs like I Swear, Love You Like That are beloved by so many. So, how do you respond to when you get the chance to collaborate with these two amazing singers?
Well, this is so exciting for us because we just love talent. And Brian had told us just how amazing Raisa was. So we went and started looking up and listening, and we were like, oh my God, he was completely right. And so, you know, to be able to share the stage with such amazing talent is a huge blessing. And it's just something that we don't take for granted. So we're so excited to be here because we've been coming here for a very long time, and Jakarta has been very good to us, but all of Indonesia has been very good to us. So we love it here, we love being here, and especially to be here with our friends.
All right, but the most interesting thing about this concert is the stage. You know what? The 360 degrees stage. Nah, do you want to share your comment about it, your experience about it? Maybe, Delius, you want to share?
You know,
Care comment?
some people love a 360-degree stage. Others of us do not love it as much, only because you have to really be conscious to work the whole stage for people who are behind you and in front of you at all times. And sometimes when you're really singing and you're into your thing, you can forget. We just don't want to leave anybody out from behind. So we'll be conscious to work the whole stage.
But
but we are looking forward to it. We're excited to be on a 360-degree stage.
Yeah.
It's going to be amazing.
Ya, I know. Kembali lagi ke Raisa. Raisa nyanyi sama mereka di panggung 360 derajat yang bisa dilihat dari segala sisi gitu ya, dengan repertoire yang juga luar biasa. Nanti akan ada banyak kolaborasi yang diciptakan nggak kira-kira sama mereka, dan akan kayak gimana sih kolaborasinya sebenarnya?
Aku kayaknya ini pertama kali. It's first time for me to do a 360 stage. I'm very insecure about my back. Nggak, tapi emang butuh consciousness yang khusus buat to work a 360 stage, like they say. And I'm really excited, and I'm consciously going into the 360 stage. Tapi itu pasti buat penonton juga jarang-jarang kan dapat stage kayak gitu. Jadi pasti akan jadi penampilan yang spesial. Terus buat aku sih, the songs that I'm gonna do are quite challenging, especially the song with Brian. Thank you for choosing that song. It's like the most challenging song any female singer, I think, can
What song?
possibly
What song is
attempt to do. So I'm gonna try my best. And also a very legendary song with All for One. I think the whole stadium will be singing with us. And yeah, to be honest, as a fan, I'm just looking forward to be on stage and to be singing with them, with people I grew up listening to, and also that shaped my music, shaped my songs, the way I write, the way I sing. And so obviously I'm gonna do it for the audience, but I'm also gonna do it for me.
Yeah, Brian, you've been in this industry for decades, especially in R&B industry
decades.
for decades.
Yes, I'm very old.
Yeah, no, I'm not saying that. But how do you get connected each other? How you bonded each other and make it a beautiful performance?
I think it's what Jamie said. We all speak the same language, the language of music. And when you have really talented people, you're encouraged that you don't have to do a whole lot. You know, we got on the phone twice, and now we're here. The band is here. We said what songs we're going to do, and it's really seamless. I was very confident in knowing that I could give that song to Raisa, and that she would go in, and because she's got so much talent that I don't have to worry about what she's gonna do and how she's gonna do it. You know, that's what you want, you know, to be able to collaborate in a way. I don't do a lot of collaborations. I never have. I've been very picky about, you know, who I do them with and when I do them. So to be able to do that here, I was gonna tell this story on stage, but the first time I heard you sing, you were singing 6/8/12, I think with your cousins on YouTube.
Was that the first time you heard me sing?
I think,
Oh my God,
but it
it's so
was,
bad.
you know, it made me cry because it's rare that somebody does what I do and I feel what they're doing the way that I do it. And you know, when I got here and I was like, oh, I'm going to be able to sing with you, I was like, oh, it was amazing. So that was over a decade ago.
Wow.
The first time we sang. So to be able to come back here and then with these guys, I mean, I taught Jamie how to play golf once.
No, he beat me playing golf. I don't know if there was any teaching going on.
I'm very good, but
Yeah.
but, you know, Jamie and we used to have mutual people in the business, and you know, I've always been sort of a lone wolf doing my own thing, but the opportunity to be on the stage with so many talented people is always a fun thing.
All right, just because you have mentioned how talented Raisa is, I'm curious, what is your opinion about Raisa? Maybe to Alfred, you want to say something? How do you see her as a musician, as a young singer, beautiful singer from Indonesia?
Well, the first thing that impressed me was her voice. She has a beautiful, crisp voice, and I'm so happy to share the stage with her. She's amazing.
Oh, wow, she's amazing. Oh, kalau Raisa sendiri melihat mereka tuh, apa yang bisa digambarkan soal Brian McKnight dan soal All for One tuh di mata Raisa tuh kayak gimana sih?
Sebenarnya aku juga kehabisan kata-kata ya, karena maksudnya mereka juga udah apa ya, salah satu yang mendefinisikan genrenya gitu loh. They define R&B and there's no one else like them really. And yeah, I'm just super grateful to be able to share the stage with them. Kan jarang-jarang juga, dan bisa nyanyiin lagunya juga. Menurutku salah satu kebanggaan juga buat aku.
Such an honor ya untuk Raisa bisa berduet dengan world class musician like you guys. Maybe the question to wrap up this interview, for all of you, what is your expectation from this concert, from this performance? Mungkin dari Raisa dulu.
Kalau aku ya pasti penonton bakalan happy, bakalan karaoke massal, itu udah jelas. Semua lagunya lagu hits, bernostalgia dan lain-lain. Dan aku juga berusaha memberi yang terbaik pastinya.
What about you, Brian? What do you expect from this concert?
It's going to be an incredible night of music to remember, for sure.
Yeah, Rumi?
Not only a credible night of music, but also filled with moments, which is one of the things I like about doing collaborations. We can do our own shows that we do all the time, but it's an opportunity to have moments with both Brian and Raisa that I'm looking forward to.
Oh wow, so semuanya boleh dong tepuk tangan lagi buat mereka. Ini adalah performance yang pastinya pemirsa Showbiz akan sangat dinanti-nantikan dan pastinya membekas untuk mereka yang nonton konsernya. Kalau begitu seperti apa sih penampilan Raisa, Brian McKnight dan juga All For One dalam satu panggung, satu kesempatan? Ini dia, kita lihat usai jeda berikut ini. Tetap bersama kami di Showbiz.
I swear means you've done it or it's true for you. Idea means you've never done it before. You guys ready?
Yes. Yeah, no.
No.
Sure.
First one. I swear our idea. I swear I've forgotten the lyrics to I Swear during a live show. Okay. Nice. I swear I've Googled my own name to see what fans say. Really?
Yeah.
Really?
That's dangerous.
That's dangerous. Been starstruck meeting another artist.
Oh.
I swear, all of them. Okay. Try New Harmony for I Swear. Been there before?
I have.
Imagine your song is being reduced or remade by AI.
No, I've never imagined it.
Never imagined it before?
No.
Okay. Accepted a gig from a promoter you didn't like because you needed money. No? Okay. Heard your song being remixed by another artist and thought their version was better. Created a second social media account just to vent or get angry. Or get angry. Or you want to yell to somebody else without
Mine's
knowing.
not venting. I just have a painting thing.
You never been that?
I have a mouth on me.
Yeah, okay.
Pemirsa Showbiz, tadi kita udah one-on-one sama musisinya. Sekarang kayaknya nggak afdol kalau saya nggak ngasih lihat pertunjukannya dan penampilan mereka dalam satu panggung. Seperti apa keajaibannya? Ini dia.
Hai pemirsa Showbiz, kali ini saya sudah berada di Tenis Indoor Senayan, Jakarta. Bukan untuk nonton pertandingan olahraga, tapi untuk nonton konser Heart and Soul live di Jakarta. Nah, konser ini menghadirkan penyanyi-penyanyi internasional seperti All For One, Brian McKnight, dan juga penyanyi kenamaan Indonesia, Raisa. Wah, seru ya. Nah, tidak hanya kita nantinya akan dimanjakan dengan suara-suara merdu mereka, tapi kita juga dimanjakan dengan penampilan spektakuler dari Immersive Full Band yang menghadirkan 360 derajat untuk panggungnya. Wah, seperti apa keseruannya? Yuk, ikuti keseruan kita. Pemirsa Showbiz, kali ini saya bersiap masuk ke venue Tenis Indoor Senayan, Jakarta. Nah, di sini adalah pintu VIP-nya. Terlihat banyak penonton yang berdatangan untuk menduduki kursi yang sudah mereka pesan. Ini ada ribuan, sekitar 3.300 penonton yang memadati area dari Tenis Indoor Senayan, Jakarta untuk bersiap menonton konser Heart and Soul 2025. Nah, ini dia adalah panggung spektakuler yang nantinya akan ada 3 artis internasional, yakni Brian McKnight, All For One, dan juga penyanyi kenamaan Indonesia, Raisa. Kita bersiap untuk menonton konser Heart and Soul 2025 berikut ini. membawakan Back at One, Anytime, dan One Last Try. Tentu saja dengan Raisa tampil memukau dengan lagu kali kedua dan Apalah Arti Menunggu dan berbagai lagu pilihan lainnya. Halo Kak, gimana?
Heart and Soul keren banget, ada All for One, ada Brian McKnight, ada Raisa. Ini inget masa-masa SMP, SD. Oh pokoknya thank you banget bisa bernostalgia. Senang banget.
Semuanya dari ke-blend jadi satu, romantis banget. Amazing.
Tadi sama siapa aja?
Sama suami aku, sama saudara-saudara aku, kakaknya suami aku, sepupu suami aku, sepupu keluarga dah pokoknya. Lovely.
Lagu yang paling disuka apa tadi Kak?
Banyak banget sampai lupa. Pokoknya udah berasa romantis banget deh.
Pemirsa, itu tadi keseruan kita nonton konser dan di sebelah saya ini ada desainernya, pembuat baju dari Raisa. Hai Kak Sintiata. Hai. Bikin bajunya Raisa ya, kece parah, keren banget.
Keren kan? Itu pakai bahan 5 dimensi.
5 dimensi. Artinya apa nih Kak?
Artinya itu bahannya ada satu bahan itu 5 warna. Terus habis itu jadi dia pas dia melambai-lambaikan gitu kayak pelangi.
Ada tema tertentu Kak dari baju yang dibuat khusus untuk Raisa ini ya?
Temanya itu jadi aku diskusi sama stylistnya Raisa. Kita pengen bikinnya anggun, elegan karena kan Brian McKnight dan All for One kan pakai jas gitu ya. Jadi kita mengimbangi, jadi dipilihlah saya untuk jadi desainernya.
Thank you ya Kak. Ya itu tadi pemirsa keseruan kita nonton konser Heart and Soul 2025. Di sini masih banyak orang yang keluar karena baru saja selesai. Nah kita tunggu gebrakan-gebrakan terbaru, konser-konser yang ada di Indonesia, terutama Brian McKnight, All for One dan juga Raisa. Bye-bye.
Gimana pemirsa Showbiz? Keren kan konser Heart and Soul yang mempertemukan Raisa, Brian McKnight, dan juga All for One dalam satu panggung. Tentu kita tunggu lagi ya. Nanti mungkin mereka di masa depan bisa berkolaborasi di panggung-panggung lainnya.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.